Hello guys, welcome to Amit Thinks. If you are getting this SMTP authentication error, then you need to go to your same email ID. So let's say I'm getting an error here. This also works for Google Workspace as well as for Gmail. Go to your account, click here. After clicking, click manage your Google account. You need to follow these two steps, okay? First, you need to go to security here. Under that, you need to enable the two-step verification. Okay. After enabling it, so I hope you know what is the two-step verification. You need to add your phone number so that you can verify each time you log into your account on any device. After that, you need to just go to your Google account and search app passwords. So here it is, first one. Click on it. Now we logged into our account. You need to log in again. Now set the app password, add any name. Let's say I'll type Studiopedia app. Okay. Now click create. You can add any name. Now you have this password. Okay. You need to just copy this password. Okay. Why do we need to copy it? So that we can paste it somewhere. Now where we need to paste it? We need to paste it under your SMTP settings. In my case, the SMTP settings are here under my WordPress account, and you can see I was getting a lot of failed emails, and this was the reason. Okay. Install SMTP plugin. I already installed it. I hope you already have it. Go here, click settings. After the settings, go below. You need to add the password here. Okay, the same password, copy and paste it here. Okay, and this is your SMTP username. So I'm just giving an example that how you can fix it. I fixed the following email ID using the same technique. Okay, so this was my Google Workspace account, but this settings works for both your Gmail as well as Google Workspace, your domain specific email IDs, everything else. Okay, you just need to know the SMTP password. So people are generally entering their email ID password, but no, you need to enter the following app password here. That's it, and click save settings. That's it. Okay, rest keep as it is, and your settings will work and your email will start reaching. You can also test your emails later here by clicking tools. Now you can add any email ID and test your email. It will work. Okay. You can add any email ID, your domain specific or your Outlook ID or your Gmail ID, any ID, and test your email. It will work. So guys, we saw how we can authenticate our SMTP by creating a new device here. Okay. Click done. Now you have your Studiopedia app here created. Okay. If you want to delete, you can delete it from here. Previously this setting was under security here itself, but they keep on changing it. So this is a new tutorial. If you are unable to find anything, even if you are unable to find two-step authentication, just search here. This is the great search feature provided by Google. And here you can also find the app passwords. Thank you for watching.